Hello there, and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1-minute English videos. If you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online language lessons we offer. As you may or may not know, I wear contact lenses most of the time when I'm not wearing glasses at home. And once a year or so, I try to get a checkup. It's been difficult over the last couple of years because of the COVID situation, obviously. And so earlier this week, I phoned my optician to try to make an appointment. I asked if there was any chance I could come in on Friday. I could hear him checking on his system to see whether or not he had a window that he could squeeze me into. And after some umming and ahhing, he responded by saying, Friday. No can do, I'm afraid. I'm fully booked. I could squeeze you in first thing on Monday, though. We often say no can do to show that we're not able to do something, that something is impossible, particularly when someone's asked us something. So you might be trying to arrange a good time to meet a friend and you might say, hey, can you make Monday evening? Would that work for you? Nah, no can do, I'm afraid. I'm working late on Monday. It's also often used as a way of avoiding doing things that maybe you don't want to do or you don't have authority to do. So maybe someone asks you for the keys to the store cupboard in the office and you reply by saying, oh, no can do, I'm afraid. You need the boss's approval to get hold of those. If you've enjoyed the video, please click the like button, the thumbs up sign. It helps other people find out about what we do. Please share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use no can do, I'm afraid.